So this video is for programming challenge. What did I say? Programming challenge 2-10 miles per gallon for intro to C++ program, Shasta College. Jeff Hendrickson is the instructor. And I made this, I should have made this a year ago. Actually, I should have made it in January of 2020. So anyway, I wrote this program and put it on GitHub, but I didn't make a video at the time. So I'm making a video now so I can post it on YouTube. Anyway, so I'm going to get this GitHub. So my username on GitHub is lmccann2, and all my code is there. So you're welcome to go and use it. So, and here's lmccann2, and this is under the C folder. So GitHub, your github.com. So anyway, if you make yourself a GitHub account, you can have access to that. It's free. So anyway, this is the code for the C++ program for, what did I say, miles per gallon? Yep, this is miles per gallon. So let's copy it, because we're going to move this to Visual Studio here. Copy, and we'll go back to Visual Studio. Make a new project. Make sure it's an empty C++ project. Next. This is 2_10 miles per gallon. So I made a different repository, a different folder called C++ for in my repository folder for this. Create. Go here, left click on your source file, right click, add new item, C++ source file, call this 2_10 miles per gallon. Add. Now we're going to paste what we copied from GitHub over here. What? Maybe we won't. Ooh, that's because I didn't copy it. There we go. Copy it. Now we'll go back and we'll paste it. There we go. So I'm going to save it all here. Then we'll go through it. This is my code block where my header, where it's, I tell you where the miles per gallon for Hendrickson. You always include your input-output stream using your namespace standard. Always start with your variables. So I used a float. I could have used a double, but I just used a float for all three of the variables. Then I see out, so console out, new line, enter the number of gallons the car can hold. Then you take the input for the user, the number of gallons. Enter the number of miles the car can drive on a tank of gas. Then you take the input from the user, number of miles. You figure out your miles per gallon calculation here. Then you see out the car can get your miles per gallon calculation, and then you return. So anyway, let's go ahead and save it and run it here. Save all, run, boom. So enter the number of gallons the car can hold. Let's say 15. Oops, 15. How many number of miles? Oh, let's say 300. Ooh, the car can get 20 miles per gallon. Cool. So that program works. So that was programming challenge 2-10 miles per gallon for Shasta College Intro to C++ Programming for Jeff Hendrickson. Thanks for watching. Bye.